Okay student, now we will discuss question number 7, first part. So you can see this is a triangle having interior angle as well as exterior angle. Now 30 degrees interior angle, 90 degrees interior angle. One angle is missing, so we will name this as angle 1. Now you can see we are having three exterior angle also, that is x, angle y and angle z. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out x plus y plus z. So we don't know x plus y plus z. Now how we will going to find out? By using interior angle. Now student, you can see this angle, that is first one angle is 30 degree, one angle is 90 degree and one angle is missing. If one angle is missing, how we will find out student? Now you know that angle sum property is what student? First, second and third angle is equals to 180 degree. So I will write 30 degree plus 90 degree plus angle 1 is equals to 180 degree. How I have written? By using angle sum property. Okay student, by using angle sum property, this plus this plus this is equals to 180 degree. Now 90 plus 30 will be what student? This will be 120 degree, right? 120 plus angle 1 is equals to 180 degree. What I have done? 30 plus 90, that is 120 plus sign angle 1 is equals to 180 degree. Now how we will get angle 1 value? Angle 1 is equals to 180 degree. This 120 which is in left hand side, when it will move to right hand side, it will become minus 120 degree. So angle 1 is what student? 180 minus 120 is what? 60 degree. So angle 1 is what student? We got 60 degree. Okay, now we know all the three interior angle. One is 30, one is 90 and one is what? 60. Now by using this interior angle, we will find the exterior angle by using linear pair. Already I have explained you about linear pair. So by using interior angles, we will find exterior angles. By using linear pair. Okay, so x, y, z. Three are what? This is x, this is y and z. These three are exterior angle. We will find these exterior angle, the value of these exterior angle by using this interior angle. Okay, we will find exterior angle by using linear pair. Okay, now student, firstly we will discuss with x. Now x and 90 degree both are linear pair. So we know that two angles are linear pair if this plus this is equals to 180 degree. So I will write x plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. So angle x plus 9 is equals to 180 degree. How we are writing? By using linear pair. So angle x will be what student? 180 degree. This 90 degree of LHS, when it moves to RHS, it will become minus 90 degree. So angle x will be what? 180 minus 90 will be what student? 90 degree. Now we got x. X is what student? 90 degree. Okay. Now angle y plus angle 1 is equals to 180 degree. Now I am writing angle y plus angle 1 equals to 180 degree by using linear pair. So angle y. So we don't know angle y, so I will write angle y. Now 1 is what, student? We got 60 degree. So in place of 1, we will write 60 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now angle y is equals to 180 degree. This plus 60, when it moves to RHS, this is in left hand side, so it will be minus 60 degree. So angle y will be 180 minus 60 will be what? 120 degree. Okay, so y, the value of y is what, student? It is 120 degree. Okay. Okay, now we will find out angle z. So angle z plus 30 degree is equals to 180 degree. Z plus 30 is equals to 130 degree by using linear pair. Okay, so angle z I will put here, this 180 degree plus 30, when it moves here it will become minus 30 degree. So angle z equals to 180 minus 30 will be what? 150 degree. So angle z is what, student? It is 150 degree. So we got the exterior angle, that is x is what? 90 degree, y is 120 degree and z is 150 degree. Now what we have to do? We have to add x plus y plus z, because it is given in the question, find x plus y plus z. So we will add the value of x plus y plus z to get the answer. Okay, firstly I will write the angles. So angle x was 90 degrees, student. Angle y is 120 degree and angle z is what? 150 degree. Now what we have to do? X plus y plus z. So I will do it over here. The value of x is what? 90 degree plus y is 120 degree plus z is 150 degree. Simply I will add it. So 120 plus 150 plus 90. 0, 0, 0, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 6, 1, 2, 3. So it is 360 degree. So angle x plus y plus z is what, student? 360 degree. Okay.